Jason, well, the latest coronavirus cases in our state could be influencing policy decisions by county leaders. For the first time in 3 days, the number of new cases has dropped. We're learning there are more than 2,000 new cases, and that brings the total to 75,000 cases. Nearly 12,000 people have been hospitalized, and more than 2,900 people have died from the virus. County leaders on both sides of the bay coming to terms with just how many COVID-19 cases experts are predicting over the next several weeks. Last night, we told you about the alarming numbers a top USF professor and advisor to the Hillsborough County leaders is predicting by the 4th of July. Our McKenna King tells us what county leaders say their plans are to tackle a potential second surge.
Isabel, there's only so many ways you can say it. Wear a mask and keep your social distance. They plan to push that messaging even harder so we can avoid having to scale back Florida's plans for reopening.
If we continue at the rate that we're moving right now and don't really do much else, we'll probably see around 12 to 13,000 cases in the first week in July.
12 to 13,000 daily cases just in Hillsborough County alone in the next 3 weeks.
We are alarmed right now by the increase in numbers, I will tell you.
Dr. Unash's predictions higher than numbers we've seen even at the state level.
This is not a surprise, unfortunately.
In an effort to avoid scaling back our steps to reopen,
We could go back to 25%, occupancy.
Hillsborough County's EPG members working to get the message out.
Keep a mask in your car, in your purse, in your wallet, whatever, but just keep it handy.
Pinellas County officials enlisting regional partners to make sure their message is clear.
Kind of like we did with kids and smoking. Smoking's not cool. Running around without a mask and, contracting the disease and giving it to everybody else is not cool.
They're recommending business owners start keeping a high volume stock of face masks for employees and customers. Dr. Unash saying we are not going to pinpoint those infected with a simple temperature check at the door.
You'll be able to weed out maybe 40% of the people who are symptomatic by taking their temperature.
Hillsborough County leaders currently have a survey they want you to fill out. They want to know what kind of restrictions you think leaders should put in place when it comes to wearing masks. So far, they've got over 17,000 surveys filled out. But if you haven't had a chance to fill it out, you can find the link on our website, abcactionnews.com. That survey closes on Wednesday. Reporting in Tampa, McKenna King, ABC Action News.